I'm May Roma. I just purchased home here in San Diego. I need to get my bathroom remodeled, and then I saw Thumbtack and I found Valley Habitats. And I saw the reviews that they're very responsive, and I saw the pictures. They made it beautiful remodels, and I shoot them an email and they respond within an hour. We have appointment to survey the place and to start the project as soon as possible. And project manager is very responsive, and if they need something, they will tell you honestly, and they're very transparent with their timelines. I really love the bathroom because I could customize it, and also they gave me opinions how it will look like and how the colors gonna look like. And also I added more projects which they were so flexible about it. I recommend the people that are watching that I guarantee you that you're gonna love their works.
Well, May, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. It was a pleasure working with you.
Twice, I really enjoyed working with Valley Habitat. Thank
Okay.
you.
My pleasure.
Did it?